All right, so that was quick, pretty simple. Came back, you'll see the new brake limiter valve is installed. And so that will help us to plumb. You'll see right above, so I get my finger in here again, right above here is where the brake master cylinder is going to go. I've swapped over to a dual line system. And so I want to be able to plumb into here, and then we're going to get out of that location, and it will run along when the subframe comes back, plumb into a little junction, line will go there to the front wheel on the right hand side. It'll run along the front of the subframe, and then it's going to come back and it'll plumb in down here as well. And of course there'll be lines that go from here and go to the back of the car as well. So they'll give me a little bit better stopping power and kind of help bring the Mini into the modern era, so to speak. And of course I'm also going to be using disc brakes on the front of the car. So we'll go through and document all that. Really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch that very simple install. We'll put this all together and then we'll move on to the next project. Thanks very much.